In this episode, we will write some short O words with blends. The letter O has many sounds, but the short O sound makes the sound ah like an octopus. Here's how we're going to do this. Listen for the word, pause the video, write the word, then unpause the video to check your answer. Write the word hot. Check your answer. Now change hot to got. Check your answer. Now change the G to a P. What word do you have now? You're right. You have pot. Now change pot to plot. Check your answer. Now change the P to an S. What word do you have now? You're right. You have slot. Now change slot to blot. Check your answer. Finally, change the B to a C. What word do you have now? You're right. You have clot. Good job. You were able to read and write short O words. I hope you like this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.